Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming essentials. Update your Pixel 9 and the Google app so Gemini has the newest features and models. Once done, sign in with the Google account that has Gemini access and grant microphone and location permissions so voice and context work smoothly. Make sure your phone is on Wi-Fi and charged above 20% to avoid interruptions while models download. Now open the Google app or Press Assistant to start a new Gemini session and prepare to send your first prompt. You'll now craft prompts that get useful results. State the task, desired length, and tone so Gemini knows how to respond. If you need detail, include context like recent messages or a document. This helps the model avoid guessing. Once you get a reply, ask specific follow-ups to iterate. Make sure to request examples or stepwise plans if needed. You can switch between text, voice, or image input, and in settings, choose a faster or more thorough model, depending on whether you prioritize speed or accuracy. You finish by verifying Gemini's output, scan for factual accuracy, and ask it to cite or rephrase if anything seems off. Once satisfied, copy, share, or save the result to your preferred app. Make sure formatting is intact. If responses are too brief or off-topic, change the model settings for more detail or creativity. If Gemini fails to load, clear the Google App Cache, toggle microphone/location permissions, restart your Pixel, and reconnect to Wi-Fi. These steps resolve most connectivity or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.